Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do the single hop of the single leg hop test. We'll go ahead and start off. So this is just gonna be where you're gonna hop with one foot and you're gonna hop as far as you can one time, and then you have to stick it. So go ahead. Okay, then she can go ahead and mark her spot there. And when you go to mark the spot, you can put your foot down when you do that. Now, you're gonna go ahead and she's gonna do it on the other side, and what you wanna do is you wanna compare side to side. Good. So again, that's just kind of give you an idea. Again, this is something that you can measure and you can do a couple of different things, but again, this is it's more informal when you're doing this kind of stuff. Okay, now moving on to the next one, it's gonna be the triple hop. And basically, again, it's gonna be on one leg, you're gonna hop 3 times, you need to stick the landing, and then you're gonna mark your spot. So go ahead when you're ready. Okay, the next test is going to be the crossover hop. Now you can see that we've got the tape measure that's here in the center and that's going out there. Again, this is going to be something that you're going to need to use something on the ground that you can have to hop over. Again, you have to be careful. Don't actually hop on whatever it is that's there, because it's obviously you can slip and you can have a couple of different issues when it comes to that. So again, the crossover hop, you're just going to hop 3 times. So there's going to be 3 separate hops. You're going to hop immediately over it, and then you're going to go back to the other side and then back to the other side. Again, you're going to end up getting 3 hops from there. Okay, and again, this is going to be something that you're going to compare side to side. So same thing. And you want to do the other leg, and you're going to do the exact same thing. Okay, so that's going to be the crossover hop. So the last of these is going to end up being the 6-meter time top. And when it comes to the 6-meter time top, obviously you're going to need to measure out 6 meters. Again, you just stay on the same side. You don't need to hop across it when you're doing this one. Again, here you can see that we're a little bit short on space. It kind of ends up near where the table is. So when you do this normally, what you would do is you would just continue hopping through when you get to the end point. Now, you're going to need some kind of a stopwatch, some kind of a timer in order to actually do it. You can use your phone, you can use an actual stopwatch, however it is that you want to do that. And when it comes down to it, again, you can either have somebody time you, or you can end up doing it yourself. So the idea is that, again, hit it when you first start off, and then when you cross that 6 meters, then go ahead and hit it again. And you want to compare your time from one side to the other side to see how well that you do. So we'll go ahead and do it. So when you're ready. Okay, come on back. And excellent. Okay, and that's it. Thanks for watching.